Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inserting WavesEQ on the channel you'll process. This is essential because the plugin acts on raw audio. Once inserted, set input gain so peaks don't clip and enable the real-time spectrum analyzer to visualize problem areas. Make sure the instance matches mono or stereo routing. Incorrect routing blurs corrective moves. While the analyzer runs, play representative audio at mix level. This gives you meaningful data. So your first corrective steps target real issues. You now identify offending frequencies with a narrow bell filter. Boost while sweeping to pinpoint harshness, then flip to cut. This surgical approach removes problems without ruining tone. Once done, apply a high pass to clear sub-rumble, then use a low or high shelf for broad tonal balancing. Make sure to toggle mid/side mode when stereo width issues appear, so you can tame center buildup or widen sides separately. Automate band gains if those issues shift across the track. You finish by a /bing the process track against the original at mix level. Small adjustments often provide the perceived improvement, so make subtle moves. For mastering, switch to linear phase to avoid phase shifts. For tracking, minimum phase keeps latency and smearing low. If you hear unnatural ringing or facey artifacts, reduce Q or gain, bypass suspect bands one at a time, and reevaluate. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, bypass the plugin and reintroduce single bands. This isolates the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.